the globally renowned air compressor leader, FUSHENG Industrial. FUSHENG Industrial, a world-renowned leading brand of air compressors, has been around for 70 years and its products are sold all over the world. Facing the market entering a highly competitive market, FUSHENG Industrial has always been in a forward-looking leadership position. Not only does it produce excellent environmentally friendly and energy-saving products, it has also passed ISO 14064 and ISO 14067 carbon emission certifications, becoming the absolute leader in global air compressors. The company's factory has taken many measures in energy conservation and emission reduction, such as intelligent gas monitoring system, solar energy storage equipment, using plant cutting fluid instead of petrochemical cutting fluid, and wastewater treatment. These measures are important practices for green production, environmental protection, recycling, and corporate sustainable development.
FUSHENG industry pays great attention to green environmental protection and energy-saving production, such as solar energy, rainwater recycling, and other utilization equipment. For the processing department, FUSHENG has also used imported mineral cutting oils for a long time. During the company's promotion of ESG, we found MCM plant-based cutting fluid. After using it, the factory environment, machine cleaning, workpiece processing, and rust prevention have been significantly improved. The main MCM plant-based cutting fluid is zero minerals and does not contain harmful substances. In addition to being environmentally friendly, it also guarantees the safety and health of our employees.
We, MCM, will also recommend corresponding oils based on customer needs and processing conditions. During the service process, we will also conduct regular inspections to ensure that customers will not have any problems with the use of oils. We are very happy to partner with the renowned FUSHENG Industrial Group and contribute to a green manufacturing environment.